Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about FWTAYLOR's Principles of Scientific Management. Fredrick Winslow Taylor. He is commonly known as the father of scientific management, and he was an American mechanical engineer. He was widely known for his methods to improve industrial efficiency. He started his career as an operator and rose to the position of chief engineer. He conducted various experiments during this process, which forms the basis for scientific management. It implies application of scientific principles for studying and identifying management problems. And according to Taylor, scientific management is an art of knowing exactly what you are meant to do and seeing that they do it in the best and cheapest way. In Taylor's view, if your work is analyzed scientifically, it will be possible to find one best way to do it. Hence, scientific management is a thoughtful, organized, dual approach towards the job of management against rule of thumb. And his principles are explained briefly. First one is replacement of rule of thumb. This principle suggests that work assigned to any employee should be observed, analyzed with respect to each and every element and part and time involved in it. This means replacement of odd rule of thumb by the use of method of inquiry, investigation, data collection, analysis, and framing of rules. Under scientific management, decisions are made on the basis of facts and by the application of significant decisions. And scientific selection, training, and development of workers is another principle. There should be significantly scientifically designed process for the selection of workers. Physical, mental, and other requirements should be specified for each and every job, and workers should be selected and trained to make them fit for the job. So if we do not have right workers on the right job, the efficiency of the organization will be reduced. Therefore, every organization should follow a scientific system of selection. The selected workers should be trained to avoid wrong methods of work. And the next principle is harmony not discordant, or cooperation between management and workers. Taylor emphasized that there should be a complete harmony between the workers and the management, since if there is any conflict between the two, it will not be beneficial either for the workers of the management or the management, but both the management and the workers should realize the importance of each other. Taylor believed in cooperation and not individualism. It is only through cooperation that the goals of the enterprise can be achieved efficiently. Next principle is division of responsibility. This principle determines the concentrate nature of roles to be played by different level of managers and workers. The management should assume responsibility for the work for which it is better suited. For instance, management should decide the method of work, working conditions, time for completion of work, etc., instead of leaving these to the directions of the workers. That means the management should assume the responsibility of planning the work, whereas workers should be concentrated with execution of tasks. Thus, planning is to be separated from execution. And mental revolution. Mental revolution requires a complete change in the outlook of both management and workers. There should be a spirit of togetherness between the workers and management. The workers and the managers should have a complete change of outlook towards their mutual relation and work effort. It requires the management should create suitable working conditions and solve all the problems scientifically. Similarly, workers should attain their jobs with utmost attention, devotion, and carefulness. They should not waste the resources of enterprise. And maximize prosperity for employer and employees. The aim of scientific management is to see maximum prosperity for employer and employees. It is important only when there is opportunity for each worker to attain highest efficiency. That is, efficiency of any organization also depends on the skills and capabilities of its employees to a great extent. The work assigned to each employee should suit his or her physical, mental, and intellectual capabilities. Efficient employees produce more to earn more. This ultimately helps to attain efficiency and prosperity for both organization and the employees. So maximum output and optimum utilization of resources will be bring higher profits for the employers and better wages for the workers. These are the principles of FW Taylor. Thank you.